Man, just drop it. You're gonna want to stay down there. Don't come up here. Don't go up. 998.
And you need police or medical?
Police. I'm walking outside. My neighbor is outside walking her dog, and this man came up and tried to attack my neighbor with her dog. And
did he typically touch her?
Yes, touched her. He was trying to get into her house with her.
911, what is your emergency?
Hi, I just called because there's a man outside trying to attack people. He's coming back. He's out on the canal.
Do you know who he is?
He attacked my neighbor about 15 minutes ago. He went down to the canal. Now he's trying to attack other young women outside. We just talked to the police. They were here. We didn't know which way, where he went. But now he's back.
Where is he at right now exactly?
He's out on the canal.
So you said that were you assaulted? Were you touched inappropriately?
No, he just threw me to the ground. He had a stick. He said he wanted to kill me. He started screaming. I knew he was trouble from the second I saw him. I should have just turned around. As soon as I passed him, he turned around and came at me. He threw me towards the wall.
Ma'am, I know you want to give me a lot of information. That subject, white, black, Hispanic, Native American?
Either Mexican or African American. He was...
Okay, any idea on an age range?
Probably 30.
Tall, medium, or short?
Medium. He was taller than me, so probably 5'6".
Thin, medium, or heavy set?
Pretty thin, probably 140, 50 pounds.
White shirt, was he wearing pants or shorts?
White shirt, khaki shorts, had a stick in his hand. He said he wanted to fucking kill me. Oh, my God.
Yeah. The subject is going eastbound on the canal now. He's on foot, headed eastbound on the canal. I can't get there on the car.
He just smashed a bunch of cars with kids screaming.
He smashed a bunch of cars. He has something in his hand. They're saying either a saw or a knife. He's about 40 feet away from me. He's headed towards 44th Street. If we could have another unit cut him off at 44th Street. Hey, man, get down on the ground.
Fuck you.
Get down on the ground, man.
Fuck you.
Don't do it. You're going to want to stop, man. Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground. He's running towards 44th Street. He came towards me. He does have something in his right hand. Air unit. It's the north side of the canal. Just for units responding. North side of the canal. West. Excuse me, eastbound towards 44th Street. Hey man, just lay down and let's talk. He's cutting north. He's cutting north off the canal. Through like a small ditch. He's laying down right now. I have one at gunpoint. He does have a knife in his hand. He's laying down on his back. Okay. Hey man, what I need you to do is just drop that knife. Do you have a flashlight or something? Flash. You need it over there. Hey man, what's your name? I need you to drop that.
What do you want me to do? Bro, just drop it,
The best way to get here, no, get back,
Bro,
get back, get back. The best way to get here is off 44th Street.
I'm not going to jail.
No, man, I just need you to drop the knife. Man, I just need you to drop that, that's all. Just drop it. 44th Street, I see you. I'm right here. Yeah, you just need to drop it. Just drop it. We'll start talking. What's your name, man?
Fuck you, bitch.
Nah, what's your name? Maybe that's my name, but what's your name? I need you to back up now, please. Back up, please. Yeah. No, man, I just need you to drop that knife, that's all. 10-4, you see my flashlight, brother? No, stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. You're going to want to stay down, man. Drop it. Stay down and drop it, that's all. Drop it and stay down. It's all right, you're all good. Just drop it. Let's talk. Let's talk. Just drop it. My flashlight is shining right at the officers. They're headed directly towards me. Keep driving on the canal bank. Man, just drop it. You're going to want to stay down there. Don't come up here. Don't go up. 998. You guys are headed directly toward me. Keep coming. You're going to want to stay right there. Stay down. Stay right there.
Stay down.
He's dropped the knife. Dude, what I need you to do, can we kick that knife away from him? Can we kick that knife away from him?
No, please. No, please. No, please, that hurt. That fucking hurt.
Okay.
Please, God. Please,
Does he
God.
have any other weapons on him?
Please, God.
How many
Oh, my
do I
God.
have here?
Oh, my God. I
Ready?
don't have
I'm
it.
going cold.
Okay. I'm
Going cold.
Oh, God.
All right.
God.
Got his hand. Okay. Come on. Come on, man. Pull him up this way.
Let him help you now, man.
#71 Frank, we have one detained